What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to give you more examples regarding geometric sequence. This is a third part in geometric sequence. If you're new to this, I recommend you to go back and start from the first part. In this video I want to talk about writing the first 5 terms and finding the common ratio if the first term and the recursive term is given. If the first term is 3 and the recursive term is 2 times tn minus 1, write the first 5 terms. So the first term is 3. Common ratio is 2. So 3 times 2, 6, times 2, 12, times 2, 24, times 2, 48, and so on. So these are the first 5 terms. Now if the first term is 18 and tn is 1 over 2 times tn minus 1, in this case the common ratio is 1 over 2, and the first 5 numbers is 18, 18 over 2, 18 over 4, 18 over 8, 18 over 16, which you can reduce it to 18, 9, 9 over 2, 9 over 4, 9 over 8. So when you reduce it, you get these numbers. Next one. T1 is 10. Tn is 3 times tn minus 1. So the common ratio is r, which is 3 in this case, and the first term is 10. 10 times 3, 30. 30 times 3, 90. 90 times 3, 270. 270 times 3, 810. So these are the 5 terms in geometric sequence. Let's see another example. T1 is 128. Tn is 0.5 tn minus 1. So the common ratio is 0.5, and the 5 term is 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, and so on. So these are going to be the 5 terms. Next, first term is 243, and the recursive term is tn equals to tn minus 1 over 3. So the common ratio is 1 over 3. So 243 times 243 times 1 over 3 is going to be 81, times 1 over 3 is going to be 27, times 1 over 3 is going to be 9, times 1 over 3 is going to be 3. So that's how you write the first 5 terms for this sequence. Next example. T1 is 8. Tn is negative 2 tn minus 1. Common ratio is negative 2. So we have 8, negative 16, positive 32, negative 64, positive 128, and so on. So since the common ratio is negative 2, the first term is going to be 8. 8 times negative 2, negative 16. Negative 16 times negative 2, 32. 32 times negative 2, 64. So negative 64 times negative 2 is going to be positive 128. So that's how we write these terms. Next, the first term is negative 3, and the recursive formula is tn equals to 3 times tn minus 1. It means that the common ratio is positive 3. So that's negative 3 times, negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 times 3 is negative 27. Negative 27 times 3 is negative 81. Times 3, negative 243. Next. We have T1 is 0.8. Tn is negative 3 times Tn minus 1. A common ratio is negative 3. So we have 0.8. 0.8 times negative 3. This is going to be negative 2.4. Negative 2.4 times 3 is going to be positive 7.2. 7.2 times negative 3 is negative 21.6. Negative 21.6 times 3 is going to be 64.8, and so on. So these are going to be the first 5 terms. Next one, T1 is 4 and Tn is negative 2 times Tn minus 1. So we have 4, negative 8, positive 16, negative 32, positive 64. So the common ratio is negative 2. So that's how we write the first 5 terms. If the first term and recursive formula is given, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.